Hi, this is Jason with JRK Financial. One of the most common scenarios that we run into when we help small businesses that have employees is the cash management when it comes to payroll. It's very easy for a small business to mingle payroll expenses into their operating cash flow and forget about, hey, we got taxes due. So what we do is we set up separate buckets, and this kind of makes it real easy in the mind. I have a bucket for my payroll and I have a bucket for my operating. Operating being all incoming money through e-commerce, invoices paid. We pay our bills through there, but payroll, we kind of keep it separate because payroll is the one area where you can get in trouble quick. So in the buckets, we have an operating and a payroll bucket, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we go right into Quickbooks Online and we create those buckets. And then when it comes time to run payroll, we go ahead and get the true cost of payroll, not just the wage portion, but all taxes and everything, whatever else is going on. Good payroll softwares are going to show that to you. And when you get that number, then we just transfer it over at the time of processing payroll. And that way we know money set aside for payroll, wages, for direct deposits, and for upcoming tax payments. Once you're in QuickBooks, this is QuickBooks Online. You go to the transactions menu, and to the banking is where you're going to see your buckets. And so what we first do is this is a sample company. We go ahead and we rename things to keep things clear in our minds. And so we'll have an operating account and then a payroll account that we recommend that you set up with your bank that you can sweep, go online and make transfers to. Any transfers that you make within QuickBooks Online do not automatically happen at your bank level. That is something you have to go back. But here you can see you have an operating bucket or account and a payroll account. And that's what we're going to try to do. We're going to try to keep it separate. And so when it comes time to run payroll, we enter in all the numbers, and a lot of times you see that number on top. Well, $2,049 is our payroll. That's how much it costs to pay our employees. We've got direct deposit amounts. All these numbers are real confusing sometimes, but we try to point, let's look for the total cost of payroll. What's that number? Because that's the number that we know it's going to be debited. So we set that aside. So here on this one, it's $2289.87. And so what we do in your banking, you set up a sweep. For our cash flow manager, for our cash flow clients, we go ahead and do this for you. Otherwise, you would just process your own payroll and make a transfer for the full total cost of payroll. And here you see, oh, well, this is how much money we have in our operating account. And this tells you where you're in trouble or whether you're good to go.